guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shireen and I am the owner, the CEO of Allures Dynasty. If you guys haven't checked out my website, go ahead and do that. The link is below in the description box. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you are a new viewer. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you, and thank you. Okay, so for today's video, I know I've been MIA for about a week. I did have to do like a lot of stuff in order to get my business launched this week, which I did launch it yesterday. Yay! So if you guys haven't checked out my website, again, it's below in the description box. Go ahead and get you some lip gloss, some lashes. You know, I got everything. Well, I do plan on being like your one-stop shop in the near future. Hopefully by the end of, I'm not going to say the end of this year, but I do plan on adding like a whole bunch more items by the end of the year. So guys, stay tuned. And of course, I'm going to make videos on it, what I plan on doing and how I'm going to be doing it, just so that you guys can actually be with me on this journey, which is why I created these little series, because I am a new entrepreneur and I wanted to make videos. Well, I love watching videos on entrepreneur life videos, and I feel like sometimes when YouTubers start to record videos like this, they're well off into their business. So I feel like you can barely see like the actual beginning states of their business, which is why I wanted to start recording videos like this. So yeah, so this week has been really busy for me. I was running on like little hours of sleep, just because I wanted to try to perfect the website as best as I could, because I did create my website all by myself, and yeah, it looks pretty good from my viewpoint. Oh yeah, I did want to mention that right now I am wearing the lashes Exotic from my collection. Here again is my eyelash packaging. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, here's my eyelash boxes. I did create these by myself using Canva. And Canva is just basic. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it. It's just a website. Basically, you can create thumbnails on YouTube thumbnails, flyers, a whole bunch of stuff. So I did use that to create my eyelash boxes. So on the front of my boxes, I have my brand name. Come on. Okay, so I have my brand name, Allures Dynasty. And then I wanted the metallic gold for the backdrop. And then I wanted the, I said backdrop. You know what I meant. And then I wanted to do the gold glitter for the sides. And then for the back, I have, come on. Okay, so on the back I have Allures Dynasty. I have my website. I have some things that I sell. I also have my Instagram. And then if you do tag Allures Dynasty in your post after you have posted like products about us, you will get featured on our pages. So yeah, if you guys want a video on how I created this, I can definitely make it. It's not really that hard. It's just not even necessarily time consuming, but I can definitely make a video on that if you guys would like. Okay, and next I'm going to be talking about my lashes. These are in the style Exotic, and these are also on my website. I also have on my Allures lip gloss, and then the chain that I'm wearing today is Reborn. It's on my website, but it is sold out. But I will be having that restock, I'd say, within a week or so. So if you guys could go, please check out my website at www.alluresdynasty.com. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is the fact that I did get my first order. So I did get my first order. They ordered 2 pairs of lashes. She is one of my subscribers, and she does live close to me. She ordered the style Heiress and Inspiration. So on my website, at the moment, I have 1 to 2 days for processing, and then like 3 to 5 days for shipping, business days. And then, so today is Sunday, September 29th. So tomorrow the order is going to be processed, and I'm going to make sure that I actually drop off the package at the post office tomorrow. So she'll be more than likely getting that by the end of this week, if not Thursday or so. So yeah, I'm really excited that I actually got my first sale on my first day of launching. Guys, make sure you go shop because I'm stocked up on inventory, so you might as well. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about was, like, I do get a lot of DMs and on my business page, as well as my personal Instagram page, asking like, who do I do my site through, because on my website it doesn't say who it's from, but I do have a site through Shopify. With Shopify, you do get 2 weeks free. So I did use that, but I basically used all that up creating the actual website. It took me about a month or so, but that's just because I had no clue what I was doing, and I was trying to make it as perfect as I can, and I knew my launch date was going to be September 28th, so I was taking my time actually creating the site. When you are done with your 2-week trial, you get to choose your plan. Like, you won't be able to do anything else to your site until you choose a plan. I did choose the year-long plan, so that you had like monthly plans, a year-long, 2 years, and I think 5 years or something like that, or maybe 3. Yeah, it may have been 3. So I did choose the year-long plan. For I believe a month or so, it would have been like $27, I believe, a month. For the year, I paid about $300, which I didn't think was bad, but then again, I was budgeting for that specifically. So of course, don't go and set up something that you know that you're not necessarily ready for or have the money for it quite yet. You can definitely do the monthly plans, which is what some people do. I just wanted to pay off it for a year, so I won't have to worry about it for another year or so. And I am at the moment going to be shipping through, I'm going to be shipping through Shopify. I'm going to be shipping through Shopify. At first, I was deciding to try to ship through ShipStation. I saw a link where you can get 2 months free shipping through ShipStation. But I was talking to one of the Shopify gurus, which I know they'll try to promote their stuff over someone else. But it did kind of make more sense for me at this moment to be shipping through Shopify, just so that I won't have to pay any more money to someone else, where I could just be shipping through them. At the moment, my shipping is based on, like, it's not high at all. So it's based on where you live, and it's called like calculated price shipping or something like that. I do plan on doing a video on basically how you can set up a site, all the like behind the scenes things into getting a site running. If you guys want, you can definitely leave that in the comment section below, and I'll definitely post a video on that. Again, my shipping is about, I know the person, her name is Simone, who purchased from me already. She paid about $3 or so for shipping, which I don't think is bad, especially when I see other people out here charging $10 for shipping. Yeah, so you guys want lower shipping prices and stuff, come shop with your girl. The next thing I am going to be talking about is a sale coming up. So I had an idea to maybe do a sale for either my cosmetics or lashes. I was thinking either doing a 2-for-1 for lashes, or maybe for like the cosmetic pigments, because they are high quality. I love the shimmer pigments. I do also plan on doing more looks. I dabble in makeup. I'm not an MUA. I'm not an influencer or anything like that, but I do dabble in makeup, and I'm trying to learn more as I go. So I do plan on promoting my stuff before getting promoters. So I may do a sale on my birthday, which is October 6th, which is next Sunday. So I thought that was kind of too quick to be doing a sale, and I just launched my business. So I may hold it off until maybe the end of the month around Halloween, which I feel is maybe a good idea. You guys, let me know what you think about that. Yeah, let me know what you think about that. So the last thing I really wanted to talk to you guys about is business-wise, I want to talk to you guys about would be promoters. I was looking at like a lot of videos on YouTube on people with businesses deciding whether or not to hire promoters or get brand ambassadors or anything like that. I do see like a lot of negative comments about it in regards to either the people like not posting this stuff quite enough or not posting it at all, and so basically just getting free stuff. At the moment, I do not plan on getting any promoters just yet. I do plan on promoting my products myself, and then also posting pictures of the Allured girls is what I'm calling everyone who purchases from me. So I do plan on posting pictures of them as well, like on my Instagram page. So if you guys are not following Allured Dynasty on Instagram as well as Facebook, go ahead and do so, because sis, what is you doing? But other than that, so I'm definitely not getting any, I'm not paying anyone to promote my business when I could just do it for myself for free at this moment. If I do plan on getting any promoters or brand ambassadors, I will make a post, maybe on my Instagram page, asking like who wants to be a Allured girl and brand ambassador. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think that's what I want to do whenever I decide to actually do that. But at this moment, I am not going to be doing that. I do plan on just promoting myself, really. So when you guys do order from me, I will be posting a lot of the information on Allured Dynasty Instagram page. So make sure that you guys are following it, just because I will post when packages are being shipped out, if there's any delays, which I highly doubt there will be any delays, unless like I'm waiting on some products maybe from a vendor, but I don't plan on that happening. Yeah, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, like this video, comment, and make sure you guys are following me on social medias. My name is Shira Renee on Instagram. That's my personal Instagram page. For my business page, it's Allured Dynasty Official on Instagram. But you can honestly type in Allured Dynasty and it'll pop up. And then make sure that you are also following me on Facebook at Allured Dynasty. And that's just about it. I do plan on posting at least 2 more times this week dealing with shipping. I do plan on posting a video on shipping my first order, which will more than likely be up tomorrow, honestly. And I also plan on shooting more videos using some of my products, like my makeup pigments, my makeup palette, and all of that. So if you guys do want to see any more specific videos or those videos in general, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below and tell me what you guys want to see. So I really hope this was helpful and give you a lot of information, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.